So how do you know if you need a court-sworn interpreter or if a regular professional interpreter is fine? As red tape translation interpreters, we are all professionally trained and experienced, and some of us are also court-sworn. This means that we've passed a state examination. It's kind of like the bar exam for lawyers, or we've graduated from university with a translation-related degree, and a court has sworn us in as either an interpreter or a translator, or both. For most appointments, especially in Berlin, you don't need a court-sworn interpreter. A professional, regular interpreter is perfectly fine. In 12 years of business, we've never seen a court-sworn interpreter be necessary at the Bürgeramt, for example, or the Landesamt für Einwanderung, the Ausländerbehörde, the Immigrations Office. Also, the Standesamt, the Jugendamt, we frequently go to these kind of appointments without being court-sworn. But every now and then, an individual caseworker or a particular Standesamt might insist on you bringing a court-sworn interpreter. Neukölln and Pankow are notorious for doing this, and some other individual caseworkers at other Standesämter want to do it, and it's at their discretion. First of all, look at the paperwork that they gave you for your appointment. If they use the word beeidigte Dolmetscher, vereidigte Dolmetscher, geschworene Dolmetscher, or Übersetzer, then you need a court-sworn interpreter. If you see the word geeignet, this means suitable in Germany, and it's pretty vague. It means that your caseworker has the discretion to accept a competent but not court-sworn interpreter, or they might insist on a court-sworn interpreter. Please ask them before you book us if you're not sure. And check below, you'll see a text that you can just copy and paste to ask them whether they will accept a regular professional interpreter from Red Tape or whether they insist on a court-sworn interpreter. And if they ask specifically for a court-sworn interpreter, let us know and we'll get you a quote, and we'll make sure that someone with this qualification is available to come with you to your appointment.